Welcome to Unit 2 Psychological Models of Abnormality, session number 16. This is the last session on behavioral model of abnormality, learning objectives. In this session, we will be discussing abnormal behavior as an outcome of learning or as a product of learning. Session outcomes the knowledge of abnormal behavior as a consequence of learning. Behaviorist opinion that personality development is an interaction of our genetic endowments and our experiences. They say that abnormal behavior is also, like the personality development, an outcome of the interaction between our genetic endowments as well as our experiences. In the next slide, to understand one example, if a boy has dog phobia, it might be because of respondent conditioning or classical conditioning. Maybe he was bitten by a dog or he had some bitter experience with the dog because of which he would have developed dog phobia. And whenever he avoids the dog, he feel relieved. This is a negative reinforcement. Many times abnormal behavior may be maintained by negative reinforcement. Next thing we have to understand is about behaviorist view about the life history. They always focus on the life history rather than on a proximal cause for abnormality. Behaviorists also avoid the usage of words like normal and abnormal. They feel it is not an absolute distinction. Normal and abnormal is not an absolute distinction, and normal does not mean completely healthy, and abnormal is not something that is completely sick. Instead, behaviorists make use of words like maladaptive and adaptive. Anything that is abnormal is something that is maladaptive. Anything that is adaptive is considered as normal. To summarize, abnormal behavior, like personality development or like any other adaptive behavior, is an interaction of or is an outcome of the interaction between the genetic endowments and the environmental experiences. So it is very important that it is important to use the word maladaptive rather than using the word abnormal.